Welcome to Wiral Studio. As you read from title and thumbnail, I'm gonna show you how can you want to earn $1 per minute. If yes, let's begin. You can do this on your mobile phone or a computer. You can also use it on your iPhone. I will show you through mobile version. Today I will show you the amazing trick to earn free money without any investment. It is real, and I will show you the payment proof. Before we start video, if you are new here and still have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to Wiral Studios of YouTube channel and also press bell icon so that you're notified with any incoming earning videos for you. So let's go to mobile. So guys, first of all you have to install the application. Name is Bituro from the Android Play Store. Link is available in the description of the video. This application is also available on App Store for iPhone mobile users. Also, if you are using desktop, you can use it to your computer or laptop. It is worldwide. Install and open this app. Guys, please do not give the location permission to application. If it requests location permission, please reject it. You have to create an account on this application. You can sign up through Facebook or Google account. I have also created an account. Let's go here. Guys, it is the interface of this application. Earn rewards and bitcoins. Complete very simple tasks on your mobile phone. Install apps, watch videos, complete surveys, redeem earned points for PayPal, Bitcoins, Ethereum tokens, or gift cards. It is very simple and easy to earn a lot of money. I am also using it to earn money. The one good thing that I like this app is that invite your friends and get 10% of their withdrawal earning. It's amazing, guys. So friends, you can see that I have currently 138 points. The conversion rate is 1000 points is equal to $1. The minimum amount to withdraw is $1. Be patient, guys. I'll show you the trick to earn money. Friends, you can also use VPN on application. For this you do not have to give him location permission. You can complete surveys, install application, or do some simple task to earn money. You can also guess right Bitcoin price of future, and if you guess right you'll earn points. So guys, you can see there is no offers currently available. So I'm gonna use VPN. And now you can see, guys, there's a lot of offers. You can see here are some offers completed by other peoples in this application. So let's talk about referral system. As guys, you can see I am invited by a person who have earned 41,000 plus points, means $41 plus. And the amazing thing is that you can get 10% of your friend withdrawals, earn minimum of $1, and withdraw it into PayPal, Bitcoin, and much more. It pay you guys, it is guaranteed. So friends, let I show you my earnings, how much I have earned from this application. Friends, you can see I have earned almost $5 plus from this application and redeemed it to PayPal and Bitcoin. Why don't you try yourself and share with friends? So friends, here is a method to earn money. More you earn, more you'll get money by doing simple tasks. Please like the video, subscribe our channel, comment below video. If you have problems, more videos will be uploaded. Till then, bye.